Another area that is still dealing with flooding in some spots out in Fort Bend County. This right here is video out of Needville. Some folks there say water even came up very close to their homes.
KPRC 2's Bill Barajas live from Needville. And Bill, what are you seeing out there right now?
Well, they estimate that about 10% of the residents here in Needville did see some sort of water inside of their home. The mayor talking to us earlier, telling us this neighborhood here, specifically Beasley Street, one of the worst off. You can see the water still very high, in some cases just an inch away from that front door. And in other instances, the water actually getting into the garage. But again, it has since receded. Now, the mayor did tell us that city workers, when the water was getting really high, had to come out here, use that heavy machinery there to cut into the street and let the water on the left side drain onto this empty property.
Water was backing up and the street was acting as a dam. So what we did is we went in and for now dug a hole across the street just to allow the water to flow through. And when it dries out and everything, we'll probably put a culvert in there.
The plan seems to have worked. The water slowly draining off and giving homeowners here some much needed relief. Mayor Andrew Bohawk telling us he believes they got 10 to 12 inches of rain over the past 2 days. Residents we talked to thankful the rain has since stopped. Some now enjoying the water. Others like Sybil Henry telling us their home has flooded 3 times since 2017. They were watching the water slowly creep up to their home this morning and actually got water in their garage.
We just inches from coming in the house. So what we started doing, putting everything about the floor. I have blocks made, 2x4s, so that if it rains, I can easily put my furniture on the blocks.
We really hope it's done, and this water can continue, that's still here, can continue draining off and get to the river as quickly as possible.
And the water does seem to be draining off. You can see it there. Until it does, folks here saying they will be on high alert. Again, everyone just really hoping that they are done with the water here in Needville. Live in Needville, Bill Barajas, KPRC 2 News.